Hi everyone! Welcome to Pugad Lawin in La Union! Bye! Ang pangit!
I just got here. My name is Robert, and this is my wife, and this is my niece and my nephew.
Ang puti!
Hi everyone! Welcome to my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. Appreciate all of you. In this episode, pumunta kami sa La Union Province, dito sa Pugad Adventure, isa sa popular resort sa La Union. Hope you like this video.
We're here!
I bet this ain't as nice as that other place back there, because they don't even have any.
Continue on PUG.
Right here.
Yeah, go reception.
Yeah. Make sure it's.
You have arrived.
Okay, now where do we go? It says parking area over
Let's
here.
go parking first and then
Parking over here?
parking and registration.
Okay, we're here na. So, ayan, dumating na kami. Ito yung room na nabook ko.
Oh, look.
5 to 6 person siya. And then, meron na siyang free breakfast
Turn on the
and free entrance as well. Ipopost ko sa screen yung mga types pa ng mga room nila at saka yung website. So that way you guys can visit if you wanted to. Or you can call.
Oh, look, oh. I like this. Looks nice. Hi, Backlash. Andun yung pool. Swimming pool. Ay, I'm so excited. Hello, happy birthday, Backlash. Kunin na ang mga bagahe. Mm. Ready na, mag-swimming na. Magsiswimming na kami.
Ayan, so Pugad Adventure opens 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. for day swimming. Pero kung naka-check-in ka naman,
It's so nice
pwede kang
here.
mag-swimming until 9 p.m. So, since late na kaming dumating dito sa resort, kaya walang mga tao na. Kaya kami-kami na lang talaga ang nag-swimming. Actually, nag-swimming kami hanggang 7 p.m. at least. Pasensya na po kayo, yung isa dyan, nakasombrero pa habang nagsiswimming. Masyado talaga yung siyang delicate sa kanyang sombrero.
Can you swim, Cassandra?
2, 3. Go.
You can move them hands a lot quicker than that. Swim from this end of the pool to the other end of the pool in 12 seconds. That's how fast that was. Yeah, when I was at school, yeah, it was very fast.
In US, there swimming classes.
Oh yeah, oh sure. Everything here, everything in USA. Help us. Are you?
Okay, go na. Huwag ka na kasi makisali sa amin. Go na, Dani.
You're getting rid of me now.
Naka-roll yan. Rolling yan. O tara na, ikakat ko na lang yan. Ano yan sa boys? O tara na, go na tayo.
Oh, I feel great.
Yeah. Darling, you gotta go count. We're gonna go,
Ayan na si Mami.
we're gonna go
What are you gonna do?
race.
Okay, I'm gonna do...
Wait
Mami,
a minute, all three of you are gonna race?
Race,
wait,
yeah.
wait.
Over here
I'm
pala.
gonna freestyle.
Go back. Where are you gonna race? In here?
Yeah.
O ayan, ang lakas-lakas ng loob mag-initiate ng race. Pero hindi naman marunong lumangoy.
Okay, and then I'm gonna see who wins. You gotta hit the wall. 1, 2, 3, go!
Tawa kay Mami ko. Butog.
You cheated.
Okay.
Butcher Joy tried so hard. Cassandra, she just laughed. and said,
Because Mami hit
I
me.
know. Yeah,
Mami hit me.
I know what she did. Yeah.
Okay, ulit.
Uncle, my turn.
Are you gonna swim this time? Or are you gonna
Yes,
cheat?
yes, yes.
Okay, 1, 2,
Mami.
3, go! And they're off. Yeah, Butcher Joy's up in there. And Honey Lee's cracking up. Now she's gonna start running. Butcher Joy would have won, but she cheated.
The speak,
I gave you an order.
permission to speak, sir.
Right? You refused what?
Permission to speak, sir. Because I'm parade race.
Speak.
I'm for a parade race, so I gotta move.
Parade rest? That's parade rest. At ease. One hand down. No, one hand down. And just walk around, do what you want. At ease. You know. Hey, Cassandra, that's fantastic, but really go with your arms. You're going to be a great swimmer. You know, you got to do your arms. Telling you.
Oh, ako na lang ang ano? Ako,
Oh, you going to swim too, Honey Lee?
yeah, and then I'm gonna go say hi everyone.
Okay. Hey, everyone.
We're going to, ano kasi una kasi Mami?
Ano lang?
We're coming to you.
We're gonna pass in you.
Hoy! Wala na, nabasa na yung ano, camera. Ang dami naming ulam.
What? Oh, no. Cassandra's on my side.
Look at my pamangkin. Ang aga mo nagising ah. Excited ka na. Diyan ka magsisipline, Choy, oh. Ayan, oh. No, but I think, meron daw ko nung mas, mas highest. Kaya lang pagka gusto mong mag-highest, isasakay ka daw kuno sa Good morning. Okay, you go straight ahead.
Ayan, magbe-breakfast muna kami and then bago ang adventure. Kasi mag-ATV kami and then magzi-zipline daw kuno sila. Sila lang. Ayoko mag-zipline. Hindi ko kaya. So, ito yung restaurant dito sa Pugad Adventure. Ngayon, kung gusto mong mag-request, magpa-order, you have to tell to them ahead. Kasi 5 o'clock, nagko-close na agad sila.
Are you going to zip line, Cassandra?
Masarap din yung breakfast nila. May mga choices. So, it's really up to you. What do you like?
Ano ba yun? Ang ganda ng ano dun, oh. View.
Yung mo to. Wala ka.
Bakit suot-suot mo yung ano ni Butchuchoy t-shirt?
Walang
O, dito kayo magsisipline mamaya. No, this is the station one. Diyan kayo Bakala kayo.
Talaga yun.
Oo yan eh.
Ay, ito ba yan? Okay.
Pangalo lang yan, pang wit.
So, ito na. Nag-avail na kami ng ATV in zipline. Yung front desk, may bibigay sa inyo na papel, consent, at pipirmahan mo yon. Actually, marami silang mga activities. Meron din silang feeding animals, photograph, yung mga ganyan. And then, makikita nyo yun sa website na pinost ko kanina sa screen.
You're gonna do zip line. Yan na. I think first time ko mag-AATV. Naka-zipline ka na dati yan? Ba't ka nakapunta ng Bulacan? Ayan na. Apat tayo mag-ATV.
Pwede yung may zipline, ma? Kabaling magtataka sa ba?
So here's the rules before you ride the ATV. Yan.
Sabi mo, mami.
Gitna ako yan, huli ka yan kasi para nabibidyo.
Ako yung...
Una ka Butchuchoy, gitna ako. Diyan ba magkakaya?
Oo, sa pinadulo.
Ano yun, oh?
Ito yung may slide oh.
Diyan tayo nag-swimming. Ito yung bridge. Dito
Ito
ba?
yung slide, oh. Swimming pool ba yan, oh?
Oo, pangbata lang yan.
Kasi wala ka lang.
So, ayan. Next adventure. Magzi-zipline na sila.
Una si Kuya Choy.
And then, ayan, kinakabitan na sila ng gear. For safety, of course.
Kas ka na lang, mama, kung nagdadrive pa yan.
Oh, sige. Maglalakad pa akong layo-layo.
Walang photographer, ma'am, kasi yung photographer nasa cashier.
Or,
Nakalit kasi yung mga ano namin, cashier namin.
sige, okay lang.
Hindi ba alam, may video naman.
Oo, mag-ano na lang. Mag-i-improvise na lang.
Zipline 2 at zipline 3 yung
Ayaw, mababa.
Mga pang ano lang yun.
Baka mahulog ako dito ah.
Kuha na para siya.
Hindi, ano to? To, niresearch ko to eh.
Safe yan.
So, di ba, sir?
Safety first, di ba kuya?
Ma'am, yan yung pinaka-importante. Walang buhay sa Shopee.
Oh my gosh. Walang rewind.
Kaya dapat safe talaga.
Opo.
Magkakotsa tayo.
Ihapit ko kayo, sir.
Yeah.
Ikaw, sir?
Kaya nga magsuot ka na pala. Okay.
MGS.
Kahit di masyado. Pati sa kanila.
Diba? So exciting.
YouTube channel ba ito, sir?
Pasabit mo na lang.
Tanggalin mo.
Maglalakad kasi kayo.
Matanggalin nyo lang.
Sabit mo na lang pag hindi ka sure.
Sama tayo, Mac. At Mac.
Ha?
Sorry. Takot mo na, sir. Yung Mac, Mac.
Wow,
Parang
Sandra.
mas mabigat pa yung nilalagay sa akin kaya sa akin.
Hoy, mag-pray kayo ha. Mag-pray.
Mahabain pa ang aking
Ito pro.
Ready na sila. Ako hindi ako maganyan. Matanda na ako para sa ganyan.
Bata matanda, pwede po.
Mabigat. Gusto nyo yan eh. Gusto nyo yan.
Sa drive pa lang, kakabalatan.
Bye!
Go na, section 2.
Ikaw ka na. Para lumilipad ah.
Kuya Choy! Choy, ganun ka daw! Oh my gosh! Para ma-feel mo daw. Hindi ka natakot? Ako natakot. Oh my God.
Makatakot pag mabagal.
Kasi parang nakapundo ka sa taas.
Ako sa dibdib. Wala, wala. Wala. Sige.
Gusto mo yan eh. Alright, that is Cassandra.
Kabado.
Oh my God! Cassandra, kamusta? Bakit ka nagsisisigaw doon?
Narinig ka dito sigaw mo eh.
Kaya... Tili-tili ka pa eh, no?
Tito na ba? As tito na oh.
Ayun na, ayun na.
Ganon! Ah, yung cellphone. Dapat binidyo mo yan. Naka-video?
Kasi tinapit.
Wala na, nag-sign na ako. Hindi ba? Hindi ba?
Dapat doon talaga tayo, mami oh.
Saan?
Tok-tok.
Hindi ah. Wow. Kung ngayon naman mag-hiking naman kami.
Pababa na tayo. Ano tayo magkakayak, mami?
Ngayon.
Kung ito lang yung suit natin, kayak.
Yeah.
Basta tayo dun. Diretso lang, maliligo dun. Ilang minutes ba yun, mami?
Alin? Yung kayak?
Oo.
Hindi ko alam. Ayan yung ano ng pugad. This is the view from upstairs. After you do the zip line, you can see this view. Andito kami ngayon sa pugad. Asan yung peacock? Oh, wow.
Meron pala sa ano man dito, mga sa Pilipinas. Meron pala sa Pilipinas yan.
Oh, oo. Mas maganda pag na-spread nila yung ano, wings nila.
Nagagalit kasi yun. Yan yung pabo to.
Turkey yun, yung pabo.